Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexei, and today what we're gonna be doing is taking a look at Jacquire King's parallel compression trick. Jacquire King is a recording and mixing sound engineer who has been working with such great artists as Kings of Leon, Tom Waits, Shania Twain, and many more. In our today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at Jacquire King's parallel compression trick. So first of all, let's have a listen to our drums without any parallel compression. To create Jacquire King's parallel compression trick, first of all you have to create two buses. The first one will be called drum bus 1 and the second one will be called drum bus 2. Then you should use the same EQ with the same settings. And here we are boosting only lows for a better low end on our drums. And we're gonna be using the same EQ for our drum bus 1 and for our drum bus 2. Also for parallel compression on our drum bus 1, we're gonna be using a compressor, and in this case I'm using Slate Digital FG Stress compressor. Also to create Jacquire King's parallel compression trick, I'm sending drum bus 2 on our drum bus 1 as a send effect. Now let's listen to our drums with parallel compression on. Now let's listen to our drums and bass with and without parallel compression on our drums. So, by using this simple parallel compression trick, you can make your drums stand out in any mix. If you want to learn from Jacquire King on mixing, you can check out his videos and courses on pure mix. The link will be in the info box of this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.